Hey buddy, it's Cody here. So the past couple times I've been out river fishing, I haven't really done the best. I mean, I caught a few smallmouth here and there, but I mean, it didn't really create enough content for a full long form video. So I thought, why not just take the past two videos that I did and then clips I got from today and combine them all together into one long form video. So that's what I did. I guess, yeah, I hope you enjoy these smallmouth catches that I had on New River here in West Virginia. And as always, you know, I'm Cody. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see ya on the next one. Oh, they're just bigger. Well, black has historically worked for us in the past with the yum. Or the gulp, I mean. The gulp, not the yum. So we're gonna try again. With black. It's a natural color. Water's clear. I don't see why this wouldn't work. Oh. Almost forgot to bend the weedless thing back. Now let's see what kind of cast distance we get out of it. Pretty good. Are you freaking kidding me? Come on baby, stay on there. Look at that. As soon as it hit the damn water. Look at this guy. Very nice little smallmouth. Beautiful little guy. Thank you so much for the fight. The Ned rig. Ladies and gentlemen. Wait, hold on. Before we get into the video, are you guys looking for some awesome bass lures? Well, if you are, head over to conspiracyfishing.net. They have the best lures on the market. There's a reason my tackle box is completely filled to the brim with conspiracy fishing gear. It's because it is the best. The best. Link in the description to Conspiracy Fishing and go ahead and try some of their stuff out. Use code CodyCast20 at checkout to save you a little bit of money. The discount code is also in the description. Alright, that's pretty much it. Back to the video. There was some bait fish jumping like right over there, so. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. That's a good one. Woo! Heck yes, look at this thing. Woo! Heck yeah. Man, he's a good one, my gosh. Whew. All right. All right. Thank you for the fight, brother. I appreciate it. And there he goes. Kind of wanted to be right there. I wanted to get as close to that rock as possible. Oh, missed one. See, that's what I'm saying, right there, like right around your rocks. Oh my gosh. Four freaking times. No freaking way. Was that a muskie? No freaking way a muskie hit a Helgermite Nico rig. Uh-uh. back over onto the dry rocks. And we'll walk on up. So yeah, I had a miss. It's promising. Oh. Shoo. Them rocks be slick. Good thing I took everything out of my pockets there, like my wallet and everything. That happens quite often up here on these rocks. Promising. Got to follow on that. Wasn't a very big bass, but like I said, I'll take anything right now. There's a big, huge carp right there. Y'all see that? An absolute freaking monster carp. There's two of them. There's three. There's three massive carp. Four. There's four big carp right there. There's something out there. Is that a... what is that? Is that a fish? Yes, yes it was. It's a nice fish too. Oh, there's one of them big old carp. Oh, ah, missed them. Missed them. Got him. Oh, no, no, don't get it. No, don't get in the weeds, dude. There we go, got him out. Gotcha, buddy. Gotcha. I seen you swimming out there. I seen you swimming. Man, he inhaled this thing. There we go. Another pretty little smallmouth. Not the biggest guy, but man, he's got some beautiful colors. Look at that little silvery dot on his gill plate there. Beautiful. Mwah. Thank you for the fight, bud. Choo. Oh, shoot. There we go. Oh, my goodness gracious. Woo! Whew, what a smallmouth. What a smallmouth. No, 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 no. That's enough. That's enough out of you. That's enough out of you. Oh, man. What a beautiful smallmouth, and what a beautiful fight. Hopefully, let me get there we go. Get the sun shining on him. What an absolutely beautiful smallmouth. Heck of a fight there, guy. Thank you so much for the fight. Going back home. Bye-bye. There he goes. Shoo. Man. So I guess that's going to be the end of our little fishing adventure / compilation today. We had some success over the past couple times that we've been out on this section of river, and you know, it's been fun. And I think once we get it dialed into what these smallmouth like, we should be able to catch a lot more, especially going on up that way to the dam. So yeah, if you would hit the like button, hit the comment, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. It really helps push the videos out on the algorithm. Head over to Conspiracy Fishing, code CodyCast20, save you some money. Yeah, as always, I'm Cody. Have a great day. Be safe out there. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.